Hello, and welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. Today, we'll be teaching you how to solve quadratic equations by factoring.
Here is our first example. X squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Find two numbers that add to 3 and multiply to 2. Check with FOIL to make sure the numbers work out. Let's try positive 2 and positive 1. First, outer inner loss by multiplying. Perfect. Now take your factored form and set them both equal to 0. Now get x by itself, and your answer are x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 1. For the check step, take your answer x equals negative 2 and plug it into the original equation of x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Good. Now take x equals negative 1 and plug it into x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Good.
Now for example 2. You have x squared minus 4x equals 21. Subtract 21 from both sides, you end up with x squared minus 4x minus 21 equals 0. Now solve it the same way. Find two numbers that add to negative 4 and multiply to negative 21, like negative 7 and 3. Here comes FOIL. So x minus 7, x plus 3 equals 0 is true. Take your factored form and set them both equal to 0. Lastly, get x by itself. Your answers are x equals 7 and x equals negative 3. And now for a check step. Take both of your answers and plug them back into the original equation. So you get 7 squared minus 4/7 minus 21 equals 0. Next, multiply it out, add them together, and you get 0 equals 0. Now take your other answer and do the exact same thing. Plug it into your original equation, and you'll end up with 9 plus 12 minus 21 equals 0. And you'll get 0 equals 0.
And now for example 3. X squared minus 4 equals 0. Find two numbers that add to 0 but multiply to negative 4. Try negative 2 and positive 2. Use FOIL to check your answer. That's great. So x minus 2, x plus 2 equals 0 is true. Lastly, set both of them equal to 0 and get x by itself. Your answers are x equals 2 and x equals negative 2. Check step. Plug x equals 2 into the original equation of x squared minus 4 equals 0. Your result is 0 equals 0. Plug x equals negative 2 into x squared minus 4 equals 0. Your result is 0 equals 0.
Example 4. We have 5m squared equals 2 plus 9m. Subtract 2 from both sides, then subtract 9m from both sides. Great! Now you solve like normal. With this one, it's more of a guess and check. Check with numbers that multiply to 2. In this case, only 1 and 2 are possible. Since it's a negative 2, it's safe to infer that the negative 2 will be on the outside. So FOIL. Perfect! Now you're going to take your factored form and set them both equal to 0. So 5m plus 1 equals 0, subtract 1, 5m equals negative 1, divide by 5. m equals negative 1/5. Take m minus 2 equals 0, add 2 to both sides, and m equals 2. And now for your check step. You want to take m equals negative 1/5 and plug it into your original equation of 5m squared equals 2 plus 9m. You'll get 5 times 0.04 equals 2 minus 1.8, and you get 0.2 equals 0.2. Then you'll take your next answer of m equals 2 and plug it into your original equation of 5m squared equals 2 plus 9m. Then you'll have 5 times 4 equals 2 plus 18. You'll get 20 equals 20. That's all! Class dismissed.
Jackie.
D'Angelo.
Tim.
Harley. Don't forget to subscribe to and like our channel for more math help.